Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to set up an automation workflow using free triggers in Agile CRM. First, log in and click on Automation in the left menu. On the Automation page, click the blue Create Workflow button. A setup wizard starts. Name your workflow, like Welcome New Contact, then click the Add Trigger button. Triggers start your automation. From the list, choose a free trigger. Select Contact Created. This runs when a new contact is added. Click Save Trigger. Now, click Add Action. This is what happens after. Choose a free action like send email. A form opens to choose a template or write a message. Click Save Action. Add more actions, like add a tag. Click Add Action. Choose a tag and type a tag name like new lead. Click Save. Finally, make sure the active toggle is on. Click the blue Save Workflow button. And that's it. Your automation is live. Now, new contacts get a welcome email and a tag automatically. If this helped you automate tasks, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.